Yo, Rudy, what's for lunch?
Let's do some chicken wings.
Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch. You don't clap. No, don't clap. Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch. Rudy, welcome to the kitchen.
Thanks for having me.
Ready to do some cooking?
Yeah, I'm excited. I didn't choose chicken wings, and
nope, I chose them.
Donny chose them. Usually, I guess the guest was supposed to be able to pick, but he was like, "Oh, everyone else dropped out. I guess you can come on, Rudy." So we're making chicken wings, which luckily I do love. So
there you go.
Out,
it worked out. Yeah, unfortunately, you were gonna come on the show at some point, and I fast tracked it because we needed a guest, and we're making chicken wings. So
I'm very excited.
It's a fun episode. It's gonna be good. Have you ever made chicken wings?
I've never made chicken wings. No,
Fun. Okay,
I've never deep fried anything in my life. It seems scary to me.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
It just seems like a lot. Like it's like shit bubbling.
Well, we'll get you through it. We'll make it easy.
It seems dangerous.
It can be dangerous, but we'll do it the safest way possible. All right, so let's get started. So you have your chicken wing, you have the drumstick here, and then the wing part here, and this is the wing tip. We're gonna separate those out. So you wanna find like where it hinges.
Okay.
And you take your knife, and you go right down, and you can just pop the joint.
Oh, God.
Yeah, and then boom. You have your drumstick, you take the tip off. You can leave it on, but no one ever leaves it on.
Why?
It looks better, it's more of a like that aesthetic.
Okay.
So if you wanna try now, grab one, do this motion, find the middle, slice down, and then this is just,
crack it.
that's just a pop, yeah. And you just cut right through. So you don't have to cut through any of the bone. That's all we're doing. All right, so we're separating the wings from the drums.
Mm-hmm.
You got your flats, what you like. You got your drums. You can do it as we can do them together.
Well, I don't know. Like, I don't know how the kitchen works. So I go like that.
Yep.
And then like, wait, like that.
Yep.
And then you just fucking.
Yeah, there you go.
Did I do it right?
Yeah, you pop the joint out. No, it's popped. It's fine.
Okay.
Now slice through where that joint. Don't slice the bone. You're hitting bone.
Okay.
There you go. Boom.
That's it?
That's it. Now you take the tip off. Same thing. You can use your knife.
Okay.
You can use your knife for the tip.
Who's been the worst chef?
So far, you.
Really?
No.
That just cannot be possible.
Mincy is probably the worst, actually.
Yeah.
But that's an easy one.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mincy.
I feel like I fucked that
You're
up.
kind of butchering it, but yeah.
Yeah.
It's, I had a feeling this would kind of happen, so I've actually gone ahead and done a bunch for
All
us.
right, dude. This is embarrassing.
You were a college athlete. You won a national championship.
I did.
Did you guys have special treatment food-wise? Did you?
Incredibly special. Pretty much was just Chipotle.
So not special at all. So now, Rudy, what we're gonna do, because we're deep frying these and we're gonna get a crispy, I like the bar style chicken wings. To do that, you have to dredge it. So we have flour and cornstarch here. You can do it all in flour. I like to have a little cornstarch because it gives you a lighter, crispier coating. But if you were to do this, say you want to do this in the oven or you want to deep fry it, you can just do, you get these really dry with paper towel, a little bit of baking soda on top, and then you bake it in the oven and you still get the skin will crispen up. But since we're deep frying it, we're going to do a light coating of flour, cornstarch, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, some cayenne pepper, and salt and pepper. So, and then paprika, if you want to throw some paprika in there.
Yeah, I'll do the paprika.
Yeah.
Has anyone ever done a hybrid buffalo barbecue?
Like mixed buffalo with barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
I think people do that. I think that's like a...
Damn, I thought I was going to be the first.
The Bird's Nest, I think that's kind of what their secret
Bird's
sauce
Nest is good.
So for this, all we're doing is like a light...
Jesus, bro.
Whoops.
We're going Tony Montana mode on them.
All right, all we're doing is a light coating of this. It's very, very easy. So if you want to do some too,
Yeah.
get your hands in there. What's your favorite thing to eat? Like if you had to pick one meal.
If I had to pick probably my favorite thing to eat, I would say sushi. I just like sushi a lot because it's very delicious, very, very filling, but you don't feel shitty after. The best all around experience in terms of like taste, healthiness, and then how it makes me feel after.
Yeah, I was gonna say, the one thing I would say about sushi that I don't like is it's hard to get full off. You have to eat a fuck ton and spend a lot of money. It's, I mean, look at the Japanese. That's why they live forever. They have
Exactly,
very
dude.
nice diet.
Yeah, they have the best diet. Don't they say the Mediterranean diet makes you live forever?
I think that's like universally looked at as like top diet. Yeah.
But I don't get that because it's like I've seen Greek people.
Yeah.
They don't really look like the pinnacles of health, and they're like
is true.
guzzling olive oil.
Yeah, I think it's just all the oils and those healthy fats. I don't know. Anyone that asks me dietary advice, I never have anything good because it's so different.
That's also like, fuck it, you're gonna die anyway.
Yeah, I don't know.
Dude, cooking seems so easy, but it's like the prep, like getting all this together.
Hardest thing with cooking is just the time constraints. Okay.
Oh yeah, I've always wanted to do this. I've never done this. Where you like
Smash it?
Yeah,
Right.
I've always wanted to do this.
Good.
This is so embarrassing, dude. I have such like a sheltered existence.
We're gonna make homemade barbecue sauce. You ever made barbecue sauce?
Never.
Very easy to make. I like to add onions and garlic. We're just adding garlic today just for another layer, but you don't. This part of the sauce is optional, but for this we're gonna need to mince up some garlic.
I want to freestyle because I've seen videos of it. I've watched cooking shows.
Yep.
So I think they go like this.
Yep. Yeah. There you go.
Then
You're off to a good start.
They like peel it, right? You're supposed to go like this.
Yeah. So again, with a knife, you can hold it more like that. Yeah.
And then you go toe to heel, right?
You can go, toe to heel. That's pretty good. Or you can do that.
And that's how you mince it?
No, but not terrible.
I did the smash right though, right?
I've seen worse. Yeah, you did the smash right.
Okay, cool.
You were doing it right like this, or you can do it like just quick like this.
Dude, that's so scary.
If you have pieces like this, like it's not a problem because then all you do is hand on top of the knife and just run through like that. You know, you can still get to the end product. This will just takes a little longer. So then with the salt, so even if you make it big, yeah, the salt, then the grains of salt are gonna kind of act as like sandpaper.
Reagent.
Is that the word?
I was hoping you'd say yes. I don't know what that
I don't know. We'll go with it.
What is this process called?
This is called making garlic into a paste.
Paste?
Yeah.
Whoa. There's got to be some tool for this.
Yeah, you're using it. Knife. It's called a knife. All right, so olive oil goes in. We're just gonna hit this with that garlic now.
Isn't this you drink this if you want to pass a drug test, right?
People drink it, swear by drinking it every day. Like a shot of that in the morning is supposed to be good for something.
And I think it clears out your system. Can I take a swig of this?
Yeah.
I kind of want to try it.
It's not gonna taste good. Doesn't taste like apples. All right, so our garlic is aromatic. Now we're gonna hit it with spices. So we have chili powder, paprika, little garlic powder, onion powder. So now that those spices have started to toast, now we wanna hit it with apple cider vinegar quick. Keep going. And then brown sugar.
Whoa. Damn, that apple cider vinegar is working its way through my through my tubes right now.
You chose to drink that.
Yeah, that was supposed to be good for you.
It might need a little bit more ketchup to kind of thicken up. Now that's what we want. Do you want to make buffalo sauce too?
Yes.
Okay, so buffalo sauce is really just your hot sauce, butter, a little bit of vinegar, and that's buffalo sauce. All right, let's try this.
That's good.
That's really spicy, but yeah.
Yeah, that's good. It's got some oomph for sure.
It's got a lot of oomph.
Do you think I'd make it in your kitchen?
No.
I'd be a vibes guy.
I don't think you'd be a vibes guy. All right. Rudy, look at this. We have our buffalo sauce. We have our barbecue sauce. If you don't have a deep fryer at home, you can still do this. You take a pan like this, that one, fill it up with a 1/4 inch of oil, and you lay these in there and then flip them halfway. Or you bake them.
I'm terrified of frying stuff. I've seen so many videos of people with turkeys.
Yeah, turkeys always people because they do it and it's a frozen bird, so they put it in and all the water thaws out on the outside and then spits the oil out because oil and water don't mix. And then that oil falls on the gas or it's lit and that's how you get a fire. All you have to do in that situation is just put baking soda on it. Baking soda will kill the grease. Yeah, cover it. If you can cover it, it'll extinguish, or put baking soda, throw a bunch of baking soda on it.
But I am scared of this, so. Oh no, dude, my fucking goggles. I just don't like it when it's bubbling like that. Like, isn't that hits you, it hurts like shit?
You want to see what it really feels like?
No. Fuck.
It feels like this.
That did not look like it was very fun. I'm not doing that.
It's only at 310 degrees.
This looks like the shit the Joker fell in. So how long do you go for?
Color. About 7 minutes. A good sign to tell that when they're done is now see how they're floating on the surface? That means they're cooked.
Cool.
Okay, so now we'll do a couple barbecue, and then these will be buffalo. This is the fun part. Now we just get to sauce them up.
So you just go like this? Like you can just go like that and it won't come out.
All right, we get it. Nice,
Like
nice.
that.
All right, Rudy, we have our chicken wings here, and you know what? These chicken wings will taste a lot better with some Pepsi Zero Sugar.
Let's do it.
So I got 2 of these for here. 2 Pepsi Zero Sugars. Give those a crack. Oh. You know what? Every crave-worthy bite is just better with Pepsi. That's what I always say.
Ditto, brother.
Drink of the summer. All right, let's go. And you go buffalo, I'll go barbecue.
Should we do the thing?
You gotta do it like this then.
Yeah. No, dude, no. No.
You can't do that.
No.
It's a really good wing.
Just clean that shit. It's good.
That's a really good wing. Even better Pepsi Zero Sugar right there. Damn, Rudy. Hell yeah.
Good.
That was great, dude. Thanks for coming by. Guys, that's gonna do it for this episode of What's for Lunch. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, bro, that's a pro pull.
That's a pro pull. Check out Rudy on Twitch. He does, he's playing video games.
Yep. That was fun. These are good.
Yeah, they are good.